Roads don't fail overnight. They quietly degrade until potholes become costly risks. StradaScope turns maintenance from reactive to predictive. We crowdsource high-frequency signals from everyday vehicles and fuse them with Earth observation satellites and targeted drone passes to build a continuous, citywide picture of pavement health. Our AI detects and classifies defects, verifies them across sources, and forecasts deterioration, so maintenance is scheduled ahead of failure, not after it. A lightweight dashboard plugs into your GIS and asset systems for road monitoring and budget targeting and easily scales across fleets and cities. With fewer emergency repairs, optimized crew routing, smoother surfaces that cut fuel use, and extended asset life, StradaScope reduces carbon footprint. The result: lower life cycle cost, lower emissions, safer streets, and a data asset that strengthens with every trip.